Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily TSLA report for Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm just going to show this weekly chart here and remind you that we remain bearish through March. Through March and really into April, May, or however long it takes to reach 326.57. This remains an objective, this longer-term channel bottom, so long as we are not able to close back above this narrowing zone presently between 421.20 and 431.45, which we settled below about 3 weeks ago. Now, the question is, might we rally back up into this area and test it, offering us an opportunity to sell the market into April trade and from here fall away? And the answer for me is yes. If we close today above 405.63, this very simple descending channel top, I think Wednesday, Thursday, we push into this zone. So 405.63 can contain daily highs, and we can from there fall back to 390.12 roughly. 390.12 is once again that longer term 3/8 Fibonacci. We broke it yesterday clearly and tested this low here at 382.78. In fact, we broke it. 381.40 was the low. We took it out a little bit and sprung back. So we put out a new low following the high in December and closed higher on the day. I call that a mini reversal. So please respect this market's ability to push through 405.63, but I'm going to keep it as a session containment level because it just might contain today's highs, and from here we can ease back to 390.12 intraday, fill this wedge out for the day or two. Once again, closing above 405.63 signals 421.20. So this would be, with present volatility, a 1 to 2 day swing trade. With more mundane recent volatility, this would be 3 to 5 days. 421.20, the beginning of a range up to 431.45. That's 431.10 on the daily chart. That can once again contain buying into April, May, and from here over that time horizon, 326.57 in reach. Were we over the next couple of weeks to close above 431.45, then we've got a good low through the second quarter, maybe even for the rest of the year, because I do think under that scenario, this 536.46 long-term resistance area, which is a 6-year rising channel top, would be in play within several months perhaps of closing above 431.45. On the way up, I'll also mention, I have many times before, that if we do close above this 431.10 level actually on the daily chart, it is 497.89. That is our actual objective, and I'm going to just call that the beginning of a wide zone of long-term resistance up to 536.46 that may well absorb buying pressures through the rest of the year. Let's take a look at the downside. I'll just say that if we close today below 390.12, 374.36 is likely within the week, where we can also place a daily low. That is once again that long-term channel structure on the weekly chart. I'm respecting it for its ability to contain daily, potentially weekly selling pressures, but once again, we do remain weak. We do remain bearish near to midterm, below 421.20 to 431.45. It's not as if I'm incredibly bearish TSLA through the rest of the year. No, just for the next couple of months until we fall into this 326.57 area. But if we close above 431.45, just the opposite. We shift bullish as we move into April, May trade, expecting the low 500 region within several months. Downside, anything else to say? Just to remind you that if we break 390.12 today, 382.78 in reach again, and if we close today below 390.12, that would be the first time we would close below this 3/8 Fibonacci. Then we're expecting 374.36 within the week, and this descending, this range here in the upper 330s, upper 340s within 2 to 3 weeks, etc., 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 on our way down to 326.57.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
Anything else to say? I don't think so. I am going to leave it at that for Tuesday's Daily Tesla Report. You have a great day.